This is what it looks like. Here goes our... Okay, this works. I hope I get these doors. Shit. Because maybe this is... in this floor plan, it's an office. Because on my floor plan, I think it's a dining room. Nice bathroom. Okay, so it's a 2.5 bathroom. Nice ceilings. I don't know what we're gonna do all the way up there. Shit. Ooh, look at this kid, buddy. Look at this countertop. Look at all the crap we can put on here. Now, the size I think is the standard. It's just that I'm not buying this marble. It's just gonna be expensive. Oh man, there's no room for a full oven. Shit. Okay, that's a... Ooh, look at that. Decent sized pantry. Good. I'm happy about that. Dang it, I need a tape measure. Because I need to find out how big of a fridge I can stick in here. Look at all this room for activities. Brenda, hold this.
Empty.
Oh, no, hold this. Buddy, look at this. We have this much room. Okay. Our kitchen will be here. I mean, our eating area that we're never going to use is going to be right there. We can put like pillows here, so we never read and stuff, but we could like never read right here. Oh hell!
This is the living room.
This is tiny.
This is tiny.
Well, it's gonna be nice and tough. Okay, so boys, this is why I paid $13,000. You see how this slope is with these 3 windows? This shit is not gonna be sloped all the way up there. It's gonna be way up there. So then there's gonna be 3 more windows up there. So this living room is gonna feel much bigger. Son of a bitch. You see, this is the extended patio that they wouldn't let me buy. Yeah, this is what I wanted too. Shit.
Why?
Because my house, this patio ends here.
Yeah, but why wouldn't they let you buy it?
Something to do with this wall on my house is the fire line or something. So they can't make any changes on this side of this half of the house. Yeah. Which stinks, because I wanted this. Oh, I don't think I'm going to have that either. I'm going to look at my blueprints. But here's our backyard. We should have enough room for something. Maybe a trampoline will fit. At least in this space, a trampoline will fit back here, boys. Because that's... Yeah, no, that'll be fine. And then since we have the extra large lot, we'll be okay. What do you think so far?
It's nice.
Yeah. The money time. Here. The money time. It's the master bedroom. This is what I'm buying. Okay. What the fuck? Why is this shit so small?
This is small. This is the master
Okay.
bedroom.
Yeah. I don't remember how much. Let's just say 8,000 to 9,000. Instead of having these 3 windows, well, I'm gonna have 3 different windows, but it's gonna be at an angle so that it's more open right here. So I'm gonna get extra room.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
That's nice.
Kind of like the...
Yeah.
Because I don't think that is in my plan.
Yeah.
That will be here.
Yeah.
But that's fine, because I want that anyway.
Yeah.
Because I want this space to be much bigger. Because this feels small. Shit,
is.
I think my room in my house is bigger than this.
But it's okay because that
Yeah.
will feel bigger because it's going to be extended.
But
Okay.
where? Okay, so the bed goes here, right? And this is my TV. That's a pretty big wall, though, for a much bigger TV that I'm never going to be able to afford. Okay, bathroom time. Where is the button? Okay. I wonder which one's going to be my sink. They're both my sinks. Ooh, look, the bathtub I'm never, ever going to use.
Are you gonna get in?
Yeah. Let's see. Oh man, this is big. Here, what side does this go? I don't want to get stung by this spider. Okay, kill it.
But you can also sit right there. Your ass
Yeah.
can go right there.
Is that what that's for?
Yeah. There you go. And then when you have a girl over, she can just
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah. So that neighbor right there. So that neighbor can see us both naked.
Okay.
Oh, hell, there's spider. It wasn't just a spider. There's spider webs in that damn thing. Okay. Nice shower. It's okay. Because the other ones, it didn't have this metal. The other one I saw, I'm sure it's gonna be a huge upgrade. The whole thing is just glass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then I had, well, this is tile or whatever it is, but it was a nicer tile in the other option. In the spec house. I mean,
Okay.
in the upgraded house I saw.
Oh, but it's got a little bench for you to sit. This is the restroom.
They won't put a urinal in my bathroom. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though. Yeah, there's no room. Unless I stick it on this wall.
No.
Why?
I don't know. It's really small in there.
Yeah, it's tiny. I want a urinal. Okay. Look at my closet.
Look at the closet.
Yeah. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
All my jackets. I'll fit these two of my jackets that I never wear.
Maybe you can put your hats here.
Yeah. Ooh, hats there. Yep. Where am I gonna put all my shoes?
You can put
Hey,
a
what do you
thing.
What here?
Oh yeah, you can put your shoes there or purses, which you'll get shoes because you don't have purses.
Wait a minute. I don't have a linen closet? The fuck?
Well, look, this is your laundry.
Yeah. I already asked. This door is not in my floor plan. I'm like, what do you mean it's not in my floor plan?
So you're just gonna have open access to?
No, because this is just a wall.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
I already asked. This is not in my floor plan. For
Oh.
some stupid reason. Damn it. I wanted that too, because then I could have just, change clothes and put it right in the damn
Maybe
washer.
this is your linen closet.
Nope. Under stair storage.
Okay.
Yeah. Which I don't know what I'm putting in there.
This is the garage.
Yeah. Where's the button? Do you see a button?
No.
No, button. Yeah, this is tiny.
Yeah.
Ooh, waterless, what do you call it? Nice. Waterless space. I wonder if that's included in my house. That'd be fucking sweet. Never have to worry about that water.
Hmm.
Okay. Video, please. The wall space is this deep. Because I need to know how, if I can put my shelving that I have in my garage
Oh, gotcha.
in here. Okay, I'm gonna do it here too.
Yeah.
This is much bigger.
Yeah. But this is usually when you park your car all the way, you walk through here, right?
Oh yeah, shit.
But maybe you can do some on that wall. Yeah.
Dang, I should have brought a tape measure. Because then.
Oh, what about this one? Is it the same? Maybe it's the same.
Yeah. Man, the most upset thing about it is not having that stinking door. Oh, did you get the pantry? It's a nice size pantry.
Oh shit! This is big.
Yeah.
Ooh.
We're gonna put all the food that we don't have in there. Oh, no. All the food that we have in our kitchen table, it can go somewhere now.
Oh man. Now we're going upstairs.
Shit, I hope Grandpa can do this. Because he's going to be living. Okay, see, I love this. So we can see people when they come in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, this
the
one
media
is
room?
no, this is just the game room. This should be just a, yeah, this is the unfinished attic. Which would have been, I don't know how much to make it into a media room. Wow, look at how much room there is.
Yeah, it seems like
Look at
wasted.
that.
Wait, wow.
Damn.
This seems wasted, like wasted space.
Yeah.
You can even make storage here.
Yeah. That's gonna cost the arm and leg though. Wow, look at, nice. Look at all that installation. Fuck yeah. Spray and installation everywhere. I hope there's gonna be installation on this wall though. Cause,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it needs some more. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, this is for the boys. This is how much room you're gonna have, buddy, to play. All this room for activities. And then, yeah. Okay, let's go check out your rooms. I think this one's a closet. Yep, closet for stuff.
Linen.
Why is that? Okay, this is what Grandpa's room's gonna be. Wait a minute. Why does this house have less rooms?
I don't
There should be
know.
more rooms in here.
There are just, this is the Jack and Jill thing.
Yeah.
So this is one room that
Well,
connects.
this is the. Okay, this house doesn't have as much rooms because the other one has 2 rooms plus a media room. This up here only has 2 rooms.
Yeah, and so that's not the media room in there? That big room that we were just in? The game room or whatever?
No, that's just the game room.
Oh, so then it is missing one.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is missing one. Oh, bathroom. Here's your shower. Where are the buttons? Oh. Okay. Yeah, better keep this damn thing clean.
And the other room.
Yeah.
This is a pretty big size closet too. And from the closet,
This is plenty of space, buddy.
kind of seems like, yeah, they're all big rooms. Like
Yeah.
they're the size of your room. And that's it.
That's it.
So then it just needs one more room.
Yeah.
For this
'cause
this show doesn't have the extra room.
I'll need to look at my floor plan because somewhere.
That means this is extended.
No, I think right here is a room. So I don't know what this space. Okay, so I think the game room is only this space because there's a room right here. There's a room and a
Okay.
bathroom here.
So then it stops right there.
Yeah, yeah. There's supposed to be a room right here. So, that's weird. Shit, I ain't gonna look at my floor plan. Oh look, 4 plugs. Good. But shit, if the game room is only here, that's not that big.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Shit. Okay. We need to go look at floor plans. Cause yeah.
Cool. And
Yep.